Motorcyclists who are involved in collisions are often incapacitated at the scene and aren't able to share their version of the collision with investigating officers, which so often means that the motorcyclist is placed at fault even when that's not accurate. If you've been placed at fault for a collision, contact the Carlson Law Firm for assistance with your case. Collisions involving motorcyclists often involve serious, life-altering injuries, making it crucial that you have professional representation to get compensation for all of your losses. Here at the Carlson Law Firm, we are able to provide the representation of board-certified personal injury trial lawyers to assist you with your motorcycle collision. If you've been involved in a motorcycle collision, the insurance company's goal is to compensate you as little as possible. You need a professional in your corner before you start giving any information to an insurance company. Contact the Carlson Law Firm today. We're here to help.